Hi guys, so this is 21st of February still, and we were getting ready and getting late to go to a play area and a dinner date after that. So here is a quick look. And now मैं भी ready हो चुकी हूँ, but हम late हो रहे हैं. तो मैं आपको quickly, yes love, मैं आपको quickly एक sneak peek बता दे रही हूँ. I'm wearing this beige top and my favorite
looking pretty, huh?
skirt. Thank you. And that's about it. मैं आपको पूरा OTD या face अभी बताऊंगी in a minute. Yeah. And let's go. Daddy is already waiting. ये सब colors बहुत compliment करते हैं your hair को. In the parking. Yep. Let's get going. Not Sarah. Let's get going. And then we reached this play area called Jungle Gym. It was our first time, so it's built in an apartment and it's on the first floor. And once we went inside, we had to wear socks, and Inaya was instantly happy, and we can see why. So they have loads of different things over there. They have this huge bouncy slide. They have this balls room. They have a trampoline. They have mini slides, and the whole play area built up, all the activities that you can see over here. So it was really nicely done, and the parents can of course stay and see what the kids are doing. There are different sections, but I still felt there were a lot many things to do for younger kids, as in if your kid is say around 1 year to around 4, then you have more options rather than kids who are a little bigger. So from 4 upwards, I think there is a little less to do. So Inaya loved it still. She was playing, as you can see, exploring all the areas. This was made under the whole ball things. So she was seen enjoying it, and she clicked pictures. So it's a really nice area, not sponsored again. This is my own experience of it on the first day. And yeah, if you want to visit this in Sikandrabad, I'm gonna leave their address so you can just go. They had this area, but this was pretty small for kids to climb up and do the hurdles. So yeah, overall it was a really good one. And yeah, I'm now gonna just insert some clips to show you what all they have. Trying Maya Bazaar.
Busy है बहुत.
Saturday, Sunday. अच्छा है. Like a authentic they've made from sticks, and sitting also is like that. है ना son? Some chicken kebab. Is it Samit? Yummy. How is it, Inaya? Hot. some लच्छा पराठा, बटर रोटी, वेज कोल्हापुरी. ये लोग तो चिकन खा के दम हो गए हैं. अब मेरी बारी है. यहाँ पे बहुत बिजी है स्विगी का कॉन्स्टेंटली। यारी को मैंने तो खुदा याद करेंगे
Now the day is done.
So overall it was a very good and fun day, and yeah, I just wanted to end the vlog here. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.